So today is October 4th. It's 4:30 p.m. I just got off work and Christian's just about off work. We're gonna grab some dinner and then we're gonna go on an evening hike. We might end up hiking in the dark since it's already 4:30 and we still need to eat and drive to our hiking spot. So stay tuned for that. Change of plans. The food truck we wanted to go to is closed, so instead we got some Mr. Sub. We're gonna drive up to our hiking spot, eat that, and then start hiking. We just got here. We're gonna eat our subs and then go for a little hike. This is the one side of the trail, but I think we might do the other side that leads us towards the quarry.
Yeah, we might do both.
Might do both. Who knows?
Yeah.
I'm coming. All right, we're about 3/4 of the way to the quarry. We're just taking a little break for some water on this like ladder thing.
Yeah, it leads to a different trail.
Yeah. So we're gonna get back on our hiking path. Just made it to the quarry, the mining quarry where they're mining for gravel. This quarry was founded back in 1968 and it's been operated by Walker Industries since 1995. They produce a variation of limestone that supplies local building and construction industries. Back in 2020, Walker worked with the Bruce Trail Conservancy to reroute part of their hiking trails through this section so people could view the quarry more easily.
Look at these cool rocks, little formation thingies. There's probably like a lot of animals living down there or something. I don't know, but
Something like that.
yeah, it goes a while. Cool. I don't know. Is this from like ice drift, whatever that's called? I don't know. I got no clue.
No idea, but they're cool.
Yeah, I'm just speculating.
Just finished up on the quarry trail and we decided to come over to the other side and do this trail as much as we can get done before it gets too dark.
No.
A little bug right on my glasses. I was wondering why I couldn't see.
Oh.
All right, so we made it to where we wanted to make it on this half of the hike, to this big tree in this field.
Yeah.
Pretty
Nice tree.
Yeah, nice field
Yeah.
with the sunset. So we're probably gonna just take a minute, grab some water, and then start walking back so that we can try to get back before it gets dark. All right, so it's about 6:45 now. We ended up sitting here chatting for a little too long and the sun's almost fully set, so we're gonna start heading back. It doesn't show up as dark as it is on camera, but it is a lot darker, trust me. I put on the headlamp just in case, so we're prepared if it does get dark as we're walking through, but I think we should be okay. All right, so we just got out of the trail and made it back. Now we're just gonna head home and relax for the night, but thanks for coming on our hike with us.
Next time.
It's 4:30 p.m. The quarry, it's a mining quarry where they're mining for gravel or